squirt out. Hey guys! With my mommy.
Hey guys, Crown Jewel 602. Coming to you guys with a quick, what is this? Unboxing. A live little video. I'm doing my makeup, so this is perfect. Headed out. We got the Shop Missa A perfumes. I didn't see any videos on it, so I don't know what any of them smell like. They're $5 a piece on shopmissaa.com. I live in Houston, and we have 2 brick and mortar Shop Missa A's, but they didn't have them in the store. So these are super new, and me and Rise World wanted to give you guys our live and uncut reviews. So we're in the beauty room, which also doubles as my home office now. So okay, Rai.
Okay, so first we're just gonna start off with this one because I opened it already.
This is called, you have to put it to the camera, Private Santal. How many ounces is in it, Dina? Does it say on the bottle? No? Nope. Okay, let's see if the bottle says how many ounces.
Right here?
Okay, it's 1 fluid ounce. Each of these is 1 fluid ounce, and as you can see, it's $5. That's what it looks like.
Pink.
So we are going to smell them.
You want me to spray it on me?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, strong.
It is strong.
I can already smell it from right here.
I'm not good at describing scent, so I'm going to say it smells airy, light. It smells like it's got a little bit of like cedar, maybe. It might help if...
citrusy to me.
Does it smell citrusy? What is it called? Private Santal?
It has the description on the back. A fresh woody base with a blend of musk,
floral, violets, iris, and powdery. Powdery is definitely what I smell. Woodsy base. Where's the piece of paper at? Let me see. Woodsy base. Yeah. Yep. And I definitely smell the violet. I don't know what irises smell like. So, I like it. It's a clean scent. It's a clean outdoor smell. So, pretty light, pretty easy.
Okay, the next one. Ooh, Vanilla Kiss. I was waiting for this one.
Okay. I love the smell of vanilla, by the way, so.
Me too. Okay, this one says...
What's on your phone and not mine? Open it up.
Oh, just edit this part out.
Now I gotta get ready because I can't be late. But go ahead.
Okay, this one's Vanilla Kiss. Jasmine rich vanilla creamy brown sugar with a woody base for sweet irresistible vibe.
You have to speak a little louder. So jasmine, vanilla, brown sugar, woodsy base.
Are we spraying it or we just?
Yeah, not too close to the piece of paper. Let's get a new piece of paper.
It's right here.
The sprayer is super powerful.
I can already smell it. That smells good.
Yeah, it does. It smells like, it kind of smells like warm vanilla sugar, warm brown sugar from Bath and Body Works a little bit. Ooh, but better with flowers in it. What did it say it had in it? Jasmine.
That smells so good.
Yeah, that one smells nice. That one's called Vanilla Kiss. So they all come in little plain, little, simple packaged bottles like that. Here. Post them. Okay, and then the next one that I was trying to help you and open up real quick. I think I opened this one already. No, I didn't. Okay. So this one is Pistachio Sundae. Here we are. Pistachio Sundae. And we've got a yummy blend of creamy pistachio, warm sandalwood, airy marshmallow for deliciously fun, sweet vibe.
I'm gonna just spray it on. Okay.
No, you can't mix smells or we won't get the real smell. Here's a new one. A little bit more. Okay.
Smell it from right here.
I like that. It smells weird. What did it say? Pistachio,
No.
sandalwood. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I can smell the sandalwood.
Yeah. I can't really smell the pistachio.
I don't know what pistachio.
I smell like pistachios.
I think I can smell the pistachio.
It smells like I can smell the marshmallow.
That's the marshmallow. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can smell the marshmallow and the sandalwood. This is nice. I like this one. Pistachio sundae. I liked pistachio sundae.
one.
Wasn't bad. Okay, go ahead. Because it already...
Okay, this next one is Lily Fleur.
Fleur. Like Le Fleur. Gucci Mane Le Fleur. Which is flower in French, I believe. So it says warm sandalwood, fruity white nectarine, orange flower notes, a blend of patchouli. I don't really like patchouli. That reminds me of incense and hippies. No offense to hippies. Gardenia for a seductive vibe. It says Lily Le Fleur. Oh, Lily Fleur, not Le Fleur. I'll put the Gucci Mane on it.
Ooh, I think I like that.
Yeah, I like that one too. Okay, so which one was that one? Le Fleur? Right here.
Lily Fleur, not Le Fleur.
Oh, Fleur. Lily Fleur. I can smell the nectarine.
Oh no, it's like citrus.
And I can smell that white nectarine and the orange flower. That's the marshmallow. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can smell the marshmallow and the sandalwood. This is nice. I like this one. Pistachio sundae. I liked pistachio sundae.
one.
Wasn't bad. Okay, go ahead. Because it already...
Okay, this next one is Lily Fleur.
Fleur. Like Le Fleur. Gucci Mane Le Fleur. Which is flower in French, I believe. So it says warm sandalwood, fruity white nectarine, orange flower notes, a blend of patchouli. I don't really like patchouli. That reminds me of incense and hippies. No offense to hippies. Gardenia for a seductive vibe. It says Lily Le Fleur. Oh, Lily Fleur, not Le Fleur. I'll put the Gucci Mane on it.
Ooh, I think I like that.
Yeah, I like that one too. Okay, so which one was that one? Le Fleur? Right here.
Lily Fleur, not Le Fleur.
Oh, Fleur. Lily Fleur. I can smell the nectarine.
Oh no, it's like citrus.
And I can smell that white nectarine and the orange flower.
I can definitely smell the sandalwood. I think maybe all of them have sandalwood.
Well, most of them that we've tried. Yeah, I like that one. So let's set them up front, the ones we really like. Vanilla Kiss, Lily Le Fleur, and we like pistachio. Oh, Lily Fleur, and we like pistachio sundae.
I like this one.
It's all right. It's going in the back.
Honestly, my favorite is the vanilla kiss. It's my favorite out of all of them.
Oh yeah, okay. You're on the light. Is that gonna burn your phone?
No. Fine.
Okay, and so this one is called Summer White Petals, and it has an intense blend of floral iris, peony, juicy apricot, peach, and exotic woodsy notes for a crisp, feminine vibe. I don't like flowery smell, so don't nobody want to smell like white diamonds or your granny. I mean, not your specific granny, but, granny.
I know.
Y'all like my little pony? I threw a little pony in there, you know what I'm saying, for the rodeo.
Ooh.
It's nice.
Yeah, I like that one. Which one is that one?
This one is called Summer White Petals. It's a light, ooh.
I like that one.
Yeah.
Yep. Those.
It reminds me a little bit of Japanese cherry blossom.
Yeah, I was just about to say that.
But nicer, because that one's like a body mist, and this one is, I liked it. Surprise! Because I hate flowery smells. We got to keep these boxes so I know, what's up.
Okay, this one's Neroli Citrus.
I need some blush. Go ahead. You want to read it or not?
Sunny Sensual Citrus Orange Flower with creamy vanilla jasmine for a sweet. Oh. Wait, ain't that the one we just did? Wait, no, we just did this one.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's okay. This is the one. Sunny Sensual Citrus Orange Flower with creamy vanilla jasmine. Sweet, fresh, feminine vibe.
I don't know. The orange is kind of throwing me off.
Oh, here, you need a new sticky note.
Yeah.
Here you go. Ooh, this is the biggest blush brush ever. I got this mug for like $3 on Amazon.
I'm not gonna lie, that's not for me. Neroli Citrus.
Neroli Citrus.
Not for me.
It smells like a cleaning, like a orange pine sol.
Yeah, I was just about to say that, like something, cause I was like, when I heard it, the citrus orange kind of threw me off.
Yeah, Neroli Citrus. I think that's the last one. It was 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 6 scents, 5 apiece. We did all of them. These are all the boxes. I wanted to keep them for later. No, we got one more. We got one more.
Oh.
Aqua Nomad. This is the last one. So there are 7 scents. I just bought them all. They were $5. I need perfume. I haven't been keeping up with my perfume funeral, as you used to call it. So this one says a light blend of fresh citrus, sandalwood, and seductive vanilla. This sounds right up my alley. It smells like orangey. Yeah. Hold on. Let me spray it again.
Sorry, Raider.
It smells like citrus. It just smells like oranges. And what's it called?
Like some type of smoke to me.
Aqua Nomad.
It smells like smoke to me.
Yeah. That one's not that good. I'll be wearing it on days I'm just chilling at the house. So that one and Neroli Citrus are kind of like, nah. And then Summer Petals was surprisingly amazing. And so my 3 favorites are these. Well,
I think
I think these are my 3 favorites.
My 3 favorites?
Pistachio Sundae, Vanilla Kiss, and Lily Fleur.
I think my 3 are the Vanilla Kiss. What's this one? White Summer Petals, and probably this one.
What you got to say? What it is? I can't read it. Private Sandal. So yeah, if you guys want to head over to Shop Missa A, where everything is usually $1, but they have some other kinds, and you can pick up you can read the notes. We are terrible at describing scents, but yeah. That was nice. And I mean, you can't beat it. So when you buy them and they're only $5, you don't feel like you got cheated when you don't like them. And I'm the kind of person that I'll use them regardless. So, yeah. Anyway, that's our review. Go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. I don't upload very often, but since I work from home, I do have a lot more time on my hands to maybe record, that work-life balance. Maybe transition my channel into some life type things. Well, just set those on that laptop. All right, guys. Until next time. Peace, YouTube.
Bye.